seriously doubt he's getting this kind of mileage.
Go right, to the right, right.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Yeah, whatever.
Remember, we have a landing airplane in Houston, Texas. So, we have an airplane in Houston, Texas. We have a landing airplane in JFK Airport of New York City, USA. It's JFK Airport of NYC. That's right. So, we have we have a landing airplane in Texas. So, it's United, Delta, Southwest, Spirit, United Arab Emirates, the airline, United Arab Emirates, the airline by gas us.